More than 4,600 Americans with Disabilities Act, ADA lawsuits, were filed last year alone, a number that shouldn't be overlooked. Now, a new ruling has passed, which makes updates to Title II of the ADA. Professionals at state and local governments, public schools, universities, police departments, and state and local courts need to pay attention. To reduce these numbers, updates to Title II of the ADA have been passed, outlining specific requirements for making websites and mobile apps more accessible for people with disabilities. These updates help to bridge gaps between regulations that address accessibility in physical spaces and those that apply to online content, including apps and websites. While enforcement won't begin until 2026, it's best to start making changes to your digital presence now. The standards of the new rule follow those of the internationally recognized Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, WCAG 2.1AA, meaning captions must now be provided for all live audio content and pre-recorded audio and video content. Transcripts are required for all pre-recorded audio-only content. Audio descriptions are necessary for all pre-recorded videos.
A woman with light skin and dark hair, wearing a black top, is sitting on an orange sofa with a blue background behind her.
There are a few exceptions for archived content, pre-existing documents, third-party content, password-protected documents, and older social media posts. These exceptions still don't change public schools and government entities' obligations to provide individuals with disabilities with effective communication, reasonable modifications, and equal opportunity of services, programs, and activities. For example, if an individual who's deaf or hard of hearing requests access to a video from a council meeting posted on a municipal website from 2021, access must be granted by producing a transcript or captioned version of the video. Professionals in the education and government spheres need to take a hard look at how they can improve their apps and online experiences to better include everyone. Verbit is already working with hundreds of institutions and government agencies to help them make their online content and experiences more accessible. Reach out for tips on how to get started. Verbit, make words work.